Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your web server with Apache easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure you have administrative access to your web server. Open your terminal or command prompt. Check if Apache is installed by running the command Apache 2v or httpdv. If Apache is not installed, use your package manager to install it. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt-get install Apache 2. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install httpd. Start the Apache service with sudo system start Apache 2 or sudo system start httpd. Set Apache to start on boot using sudo system enable Apache 2 or sudo system enable httpd. Next, ensure your server is up to date with security patches. Run sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade for Debian-based systems. Use sudo yum update for Red Hat-based systems. Secure your Apache installation by running sudo /apache 2 ctl config test to check for configuration syntax errors. Now, modify the main Apache configuration file. For Debian-based systems, it's usually located at /etc/apache 2/apache 2.conf. For Red Hat-based systems, you can find it at /etc/httpd/conf/httpd.conf. Implement the principle of least privilege. Set user and group ownership to a non-root user. Change the directives to define allowed user permissions. Protect sensitive files by denying access. For example, add directory/var/www/ followed by options indexes and allow override none. Also, disable directory browsing by adding options indexes under each directory block. Next, enable HTTPS for secure data transmission. Install certbot using your package manager. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt-get install certbot python 3 certbot Apache. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum install certbot python 3 certbot Apache. Run certbot to obtain a free SSL certificate with sudo certbot Apache. Follow the prompts to configure your SSL settings. After installation, set up automatic certificate renewal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.